The quiet moments before dawn, when most people are still asleep, there was a young entrepreneur named Alex. He wasn't born with wealth or connections. He didn't have a golden ticket or an easy path. What he had was a vision that one day his name would be known, his business would flourish, and he would make a difference. But the road to success was never easy. At first, Alex faced rejection after rejection. Every investor he approached turned him down. Every no felt like a blow, but it wasn't enough to stop him. He poured everything he had, time, energy, savings, into his dream. Sleepless nights became his norm. There were moments when he doubted himself, moments when he wondered if it was all worth it. But even in those darkest moments, Alex reminded himself, every setback is a setup for a comeback. He failed and failed again, but he learned. He grew. Slowly, he found the courage to embrace failure because each mistake taught him something new and each lesson brought him one step closer to his goal. And then, just when it seemed like he was at his breaking point, things shifted. His breakthrough came, not through luck, but through relentless perseverance. His idea, once dismissed, gained traction. People started believing in him. Investors who once said no were now saying yes. His business took off. Today, Alex is a thriving entrepreneur, but he remembers the struggles that shaped him. He knows that success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about staying committed when the world tells you to give up, because success is not a destination, it's the journey. So if you're struggling, if you feel like you're not there yet, keep going. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to your dreams. Don't quit.